You loved her. Gave her your time, loyalty, and your heart. But one day, she pulled away. Now she's with someone else. And you're left wondering, was it something you did? Did she ever truly care? How is she smiling while you're stuck in silence? But here's the hard truth. It's not about chasing her. It's not about winning her back with words, gifts, or desperate apologies. If she walked away, especially if she replaced you, the worst move you can make is chasing. The real power is in silence. Transformation. Detachment. At first, she may not even notice. But the moment she senses you've stopped waiting, that your emotions are no longer chained to her decisions, something inside her changes. That's when regret creeps in. That's when she starts questioning. That's when she begins to wonder, did she let go of the best man she'll ever have? And that's the moment she might come crawling back, even if she's still with someone else. Let's break this down. Using Stoic philosophy, emotional control, and deep psychological truth. Here's what men get trapped in. Today's dating culture pushes men to chase, to prove, to keep showing value even after they've been tossed aside. Most men end up losing themselves, trying to earn back validation from someone who's already moved on, or pretending she has. But this is the death of masculine power. The Stoics taught one thing clearly: you don't control others. You only control your actions, your thoughts, your emotions. So when she betrays you, leaves you, or picks someone else, your mission isn't to win her back. It's to win yourself back. It's to walk in calm strength, without drama, without explanation. Why? Because she expects the breakdown. She expects the message. She expects you watching her stories, liking her posts, orbiting her. She expects weakness. And the moment you stop fulfilling that expectation, you become unforgettable. Let's dive into what really makes her regret. How walking away flips the power dynamic. And what actually triggers her emotional spiral. Here's the first truth. 1. She believes you'll wait forever. Most women assume that if your love was real, you'll always be there, eventually. Even if you date around. Even if you go silent. Deep down, she believes you'll return if she ever changes her mind. But when she watches your life improve, when your silence speaks louder than her attention-seeking selfies, when your focus turns inward and your growth becomes unstoppable, that illusion shatters. And it throws her off. 2. Emotional contrast. She remembers the man who gave everything, who always messaged first, who tried to fix things, who forgave. But now, that version is gone. You've gone colder, quieter, stronger. And that contrast, the before and after, it haunts her. She replays the moments, compares them. The gap between who you were and who you've become? That's where her regret lives. 3. Female psychology and hypergamy. Many women believe they're trading up when they leave. The next guy? Better. More exciting. Higher value. But here's the twist. Once the dopamine rush fades, she starts to see the truth. Emotional safety. Loyalty. Grounded masculinity. Those don't come easy. And when she sees you thriving, better than ever, without her, that upgrade starts to feel like a downgrade. 4. Ego bruise. When you stay silent, when you don't text, when you don't check her stories, when you don't ask mutual friends about her, she doesn't get the emotional supply she's used to. And for many women, emotional attention is more addictive than physical. Your silence is starvation. Eventually, it bruises the ego. It makes her ask, why isn't he chasing me? Did he stop caring? Did he find someone better? Now, how do you walk the Stoic path that makes her feel all this? How do you become the man she regrets leaving? Let's get real. Don't fake it. Become it. 1. Embrace detachment. This isn't about pretending not to care. It's about owning your emotions. Stop checking her socials. Stop rereading old texts. Stop trying to decode her mixed signals. Choose silence. Choose peace. Choose progress. 2. Elevate your life. Get in the gym. Start that side hustle. Clean up your wardrobe. Build your finances. Level up emotionally, mentally, physically. Become the man she wouldn't recognize, not because you changed for her, but because you evolved beyond her. 3. Stop reacting. She'll test you. A like. How are you? Text. Don't take the bait. Let her sit in the silence. Let her wonder. Don't reward breadcrumbs with validation. If she wants to come back, she needs to come all the way back, with real accountability. 4. Control your narrative. No sad quotes. No passive-aggressive posts. No "woe is me" energy. Let your silence scream. I value myself too much to entertain what discarded me. That level of calm, composed masculinity? It's magnetic. It's rare. It's irresistible. 5. Master Stoic stillness. Meditate. Reflect. Journal. Grow. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. You don't need to control her. Just yourself. Maybe she returns. Maybe she doesn't. But by walking this path, you don't need her to. Your silence wasn't a strategy. It was self-respect. You didn't go quiet to manipulate. You went quiet to heal. To find your center. To remember who the hell you are. And ironically, that's what draws her back. Not the begging. Not the chasing. But the man who stopped trying. The man who let karma do the talking. The man who vanished from her life, only to echo in her mind again and again as the one that got away. So, choose stillness. Choose strength. Choose self-respect. Let her feel the weight of your absence. Let karma speak your truth. And walk forward,